Today we're welcoming close to 400 Simpson Strong-Tie volunteers coming down here to Central City South to help in our neighborhood revitalization project here. People think about Habitat for Humanity as putting one family in one home, but we have decided over the years that a lot of families need renovations and repairs to their homes to stay in them. So that's why we're in a neighborhood like this. We're not only building new homes, as you can see behind me, we're renovating and repairing another 80 in these two neighborhoods of Central City South Phoenix.
But Simpson's goal is to help build safer, stronger structures, and Habitat's goal is to help build affordable housing. And the two married together can provide communities some of the best projects at an affordable rate, and we can meet both of our goals.
One of the core values for Simpson Strong-Tie is giving back. And that was something that was given to us as a legacy by our founder, Bart Simpson. Extremely important to him, and it's ingrained in our culture. It's who we are as a company.
Oh, thank you, Habitat. I am so grateful that you guys came into our lives. Everybody needs a helping hand every once in a while, and you guys came in when I needed it. Thank you.
Bart's principle number 8, that's a big one, give back. For me, that's something that I really love to do, because if it wasn't for somebody giving me that opportunity to step in and do what I'm doing, I would never be standing here and being able to do the same thing.
The nice thing about being here is the fact that we actually get to practice what we preach, which is to put something back into the community, collaborate with such a great industry leader such as Habitat for Humanity.
We are doing a Habitat build in Phoenix, Arizona, and it's really, really exciting.
It was just a pleasure to be able to give back. It's all about giving back. Simpson Strong-Tie is about that.
It was an honor to be here today to help build this house that's behind us. We got a good start on it. Really wish we could finish it, but we got pretty much the outside of the walls up today, a lot more than I thought we did. So it was great teamwork, and I really appreciate everybody's effort today.